Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adopt servers tag on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Discord application on my PC, and if you want to adopt a tag from server, we need to choose one of these server guys. And for example, I'm going to adopt servers tag from this OpenAI server. And I'm going to open it. Then you can click on this menu guys, and you will see server tag, and then you can select adopt tag to adopt the tag on your profile. Okay, I think it's already adopted. I'm going to check it guys. I'm going to go to my setting, and I'm going to go to the profile setting. Okay, and wait. Okay, this is the server tag, and if you want to apply the server tag, just select the server tag like this and save changes. And I'm going to go back to my profile, okay guys, and okay, I have already applied this tag to my profile. Okay guys, and that's how we can adopt servers tag on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.